Hey guys, what's up? This is Kyle Garuda right here from New Delhi, India, and today I'm gonna tell you who am I and why you guys should listen to me. And this video is divided in these sections. If you wanna skip to any of the sections right away, you can just note the timestamps from here. So I'm an electronic music producer from New Delhi, India. I've been making music for past 4 years right now. By the way, the day I'm recording this video, it's my fourth anniversary of making music. And yeah, I started making music on my phone with the help of an app called Magic's Music Maker. I continued using that for a year. I started music as my hobby, and yeah, I always wondered like how do these big guys like Martin Garrix and Calvin Harris made their stuff. And yeah, it was until class ninth when I got introduced to a professional DAW. It was FL Studio. Obviously, like a friend of mine introduced to me that you can use FL Studio to create music. I've worked with other DAWs by the way, but FL Studio worked best for me. And if I had got an idea, it was on the FL Studio. And yeah, I still remember the day on 17th December 2018. I took the decision that I will be pursuing music as my career, and here I am talking to you guys. In starting days, I joined the Frustrated Producer group. Shout out to those guys, really cool, super cool. Do check them out. And also the FL Studio memes, which let me relax and able to connect with the people at the same time. Okay, so most of you guys might not know that I started under the name of Positive Rain back in the day. And yeah, I did all sorts of wrong stuff which one could ever think of. Like, I was buying followers, comments, likes, shares, wasn't producing much of the music. And soon after, I realized that it's not making me happy. It's not people following me, it's just some bots, some random bots over from somewhere else in the world. It was basically just a number for me. So yeah, at that time people were making fun of me. I was getting trolled by the people whom I thought that those were the friends of mine in the industry. People were making fun of me, they were trolling me for basically everything. The people whom I used to think that those were friends of mine, they were laughing at me. At that point, I realized that I'm not gonna make it. I was crying in front of my mirror in my bathroom. I said to myself, Karthike, is this how you gonna fucking make to this industry? Then let me tell you, you are not gonna make it. It was a really challenging time for me. I slapped myself many times, and here I am. So after that, I decided that I need a fresh start. For a fresh start, I needed a fresh name to give me new motivation, to give me more positive thoughts about the world. And yeah, maybe you might be only 10 or 20 people who might be watching this video, but what most matters to me is that at least you're watching, and I know you. You're not a number to me. You are a real people who I know and who will always be with me. I might not have been the super cool kid, or I might have less followers on my socials, which you should guys definitely check out. Shout out to me. But I at least know you. After changing my name to Kyle Garuda, I met a ton of new good people who made me realize that the world is not a bad place. Julian Fade was one of them. Shout out to him. Really great guy, really sweet. He told me that nobody's gonna serve you in this industry. You've got to make your way, find your own unconventional paths, and then only you can make it. My My friend Anmol told me that I should never give up, which is a really cliche dialogue, but yeah, he told me. And he also told me to stay out of my comfort zone. And yeah, when I was elected last year as the head boy of my school, I brought the concept of AD to my country. I basically organized an event where I made my friends fly over from all over the country to give a masterclass on the electronic music production, and none of this sort of thing has ever happened in the whole North Indian music scene. And I'm glad to announce that not just I successfully organized the event, but some of you guys also took it seriously, and some of you guys might be watching this video talking to you. Hey, and thanks to him only, by the way, that I am making this video out of my comfort zone, way out of my comfort zone. So some of you guys might be wondering, what the hell is this purpose of this channel? Well, it's basically me. On this channel, I will upload all sort of content which has to do with my music, production tutorial, or my daily life vlogs. Basically everything which has to do with the name Kyle Garuda. My name is Kyle Garuda, I make music. Welcome to my story.